I hate my creations. Every single one of them. I had to tell the people. I had to tell. I had a lion. Bye-bye. Whatever. I just wish I made a creation out of... What the... Toymax! A bird. Toymax! Who's Toymax? Toymax! Who's Toymax? Toymax! Who is Toymax? Toymax! Who is Toymax? Toymax! Who is he? Who is Toymax? Toymax! Who is he? Toymax! Who is Toymax? Toymax! Is Toymax a Toymax? Toymax! Are you an idiot? Toymax! I think you are. Toymax! Toymax! Are you an idiot? Toymax! Oh! No! That's a stupid alarm. Don't wonder why the place is turning red. It's a stupid... It's alarm, though. I need to turn the alarm off. Yes. Ow, 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 ow. That's off me! Toymax, Toymax, shut up! Toymax! Ah! Hey, what's the problem? That dumb bird. I keep saying Toymax. Hold on, I can take care of it with this Death Star. Oh! You dumb shit! Toymax! Toymax! Oh my God. Toymax, 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 ow. Toymax! You need to stop it instantly. Oh my God. Hold on. I need to call somebody. Oh my God, get out of me. Yes, Midnight, please. Could you and the chipmunk ninja, you know him? Could you both come over here? I'm worried about a stupid pigeon. A stupid ass pigeon. Or whatever the hell it is. And it keeps trying to kill me. And it keeps saying, This is bullshit. Bullshit. Could you please shut the hell up? I'm trying to do my lessons. Oh my God. How should we help him? Bim? I know Bim. But you know who is Bim? Nah, let me sing you a song. You are Bim, 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 my ninja skills are great. I'm the ninja in the world. You jet? No, bro. Then you shall die. But really though, she should really help her. Hold on. Come with me. Away from me, stupid bird. Away. Away. Oh. Stop it. What are you doing? Toymax! Oh shit! Toymax! Ah! Toymax! Oh, finally you two are here. Let's kill the first bird, please. Hold on, my ninja skills was sharp. Wah! The way for the ninja skills is to spray the bird. Spray the enemy. Eat this, you stupid bird. Eat it. You like to taste this? You like the taste of it? Like the taste of that, huh? Like the taste? Toymax! Oh shit, he actually liked the taste. Run! Toymax! That was a good idea, genius, wasn't it? Hey, shut up. I'm trying my best. Hold on, people. I know a way we can... And leeple. What? What's a leeple? Hold on. Bun. I know a banana that can show a banana. And that's not even a word. Bye. Die. I don't want to die. I don't want to. Toymax. Ah! Come on, bear. Come on, bear. Shoot him down, Brown. Sure thing. Let's see. Those are the strip cards. I wonder who did that. No, that's a bear. I think she said a bird. Oh, there it is. I got a first few ammo. I missed. Shit. But then I have more ammo, right? Right? Got him! That's a bullseye. Not an actual bullseye. Thomas! He's actually defeated. The guy's defeated. What the hell is called to this? I don't know, but look, he's dead. Now give me this. I'm gonna finish him off. Go along. What the hell's been me? I'm right here, Mia. That's me up on my base. Fine. Fine. But you have to pay me a fine. You like the taste? Like the taste of it? Like, huh? Drink it up. Drink it up. Drink it up. Ow! Now where's my money, Bunny? I'm not a bunny. You know what? No! You call me a bunny? You know what? You know what? Who do you pay to? Where? Pay her. Bye. Mine. Bear did not pay the fine.